Good afternoon, students. Today in this short lesson, I'll be going through this question for you. So please watch my step-to-step solution and try to remember the way to do it. So if we look at this diagram, can anybody tell me what have you seen on this diagram? Yes, I can hear some of your voices. So what we have to do for this diagram is we've got to calculate the area of the shaded part. So what I would do first, to make you understand what I mean, I will just type out the equations first. So for this, if we look at the diagram, the shaded part, the area of the shaded part is in fact the entire area of the parallelogram. And we've got to minus the two areas of the triangle, the small triangles here. And then we will get the shaded part in the middle. So the area of parallelogram, yes, I can hear some of your voices again, so that is base. And that's base times our height. So let's just make sure that the height is capitalized. What about the area of the triangle? So the area of triangle equals to base. So we've got base times height as well. But don't forget, after that, you've got to divide it by 2, because that's our formula for triangle. And in that case, what we have to calculate now is the middle part. So the shaded part would be the area of the parallelogram minus 2 times the area of the triangle. So that would be area of the parallelogram and minus 2, we've got to 2 times area of the triangle, because we've got the 2 small triangle, don't we? Okay, and then I'll need your help now. So if you look at the numbers, so that would equal to, anybody tell me? Let's put it there so it's aligning with our equation. So just drag it. How am I going to do it? It's going to drag it a little bit, but okay. So it equals to, so what is the area of the parallelogram? So we got base times height, and our base is 8 in this case, and our height is 4. So that is 8 times 4. And we've got to minus 2 times the area of the triangle. So the triangle area is, the base is 3, the height is 4. We've got 4 here. Am I correct? And then we've got to, don't forget that we've got to divide by 2 because that is a triangle. Okay? So in that case, we'll get our equation easily now because it's simple calculation. You should have done it before and you should be able to calculate that easy number. So that equals to 32, and we've got to minus 2 times 12 divided by 2. And that actually, if we go further, so that actually equals to 32 minus 2 times 6. And we know that we always have to calculate the multiplication and multiplication first. So that's 32 minus 12. So we will get our number, which is 20 unit. Don't forget that we've got to do it. 20 unit. How am I going to do it? 20 units square. Okay, so then you'll get this. Okay, so that is your solution. So I hope all of you are aware of how to do this question, and now I've gone through this question and it's time for you to recap and revise on the knowledge of calculating the areas of parallelogram and triangle. Okay, all right, thank you very much.